In the heart of the city where the heartlands meet, Bishan-Ang Mo Kio Park under our feet.
From concrete canal to a winding river so free,
Kallang flows gently, wildflowers by the tree.
jogging paths calling, cycles rolling along.
Picnics on the grass where families belong.
Oh, butterflies dancing in the habitat green.
A slice of nature in the urban scene. Oh, river flows in Bishan, soft and serene. Lush green oasis, the sweetest we've seen. Play in the water, laugh in the sun. Adventure playground where the fun's just begun. Bishan Park calling, come lose your care. Pond gardens whispering, fresh open air. From dawn till dusk, feel the heartland glow. In Bishan-Ang Mo Kio, let your spirit flow. Water playground splashing, kids running wild. Inclusive swings turning, every face smile. Therapeutic gardens, reflexologist stones. Dog runs and kite flies, no one's alone. Meandering river, biodiversity thrives. From old drainage days to new vibrant lives. Bridges and ponds, views from the hills so high. Singapore's gem under the tropical sky. Oh, river flows in Bishan, soft and serene.